Here's today's Genesis Medical Moments.
We are continuing our conversation about cosmetic injectables with Brittany Schulz, an advanced nurse practitioner and cosmetic injector with Genesis Plastic Surgery. So, Brittany, what can someone expect after they get an injectable? I mean, will patients see results right away?
Not with the neurotoxins. So with neurotoxins, they usually take around 3 to 4 days to start setting in. Okay. 2 weeks maximum results you'll see. It usually takes a little bit of time. Sometimes different muscles can relax at different speeds. So we always tell patients to wait 2 weeks before coming back to see if they potentially would need a touch-up.
And so how long do the results last?
So we have 2 neurotoxins that last about 3 months. So that's our Botox and Jeuveau. We do have a new product, Daxxify, that can last up to 5 or 6 months because there is an attached protein that is added to that. So
okay.
that one lasts a little bit longer.
So that's nice. They don't have to make as many trips to the office as well. Are there any side effects that someone should be aware of before getting a cosmetic injectable?
So one thing that I think is so important for individuals to know is there are some people that are not candidates to get neurotoxin or filler. If they have any type of neuromuscular disorders, that's a contraindication. Also, it's just good to know if they're on blood thinners, they have a higher risk of bleeding with each injectable treatment. So those are just kind of some of the things to be on the lookout for.
So what advice do you have for someone who is considering a cosmetic injectable?
So you want to go to an injector who has a high level of expertise. Just like here at Genesis Plastic Surgery, we have 2 injectors, myself and Jennifer Cassatt. We both have our master's degree, and we also were trained underneath plastic surgeons, which we have 2 plastic surgeons on site as well. So it's so important to know your injector, know their education and expertise so that you can make sure that you have the best outcome.
Definitely, definitely. So trends in aesthetics, they're always changing, it seems like. How do you guys stay informed and kind of up to date on any changes?
Yes, so as a nurse practitioner, I'm always researching, knowing new things, always looking at evidence-based research and practice. We do have the benefit that we do have amazing representatives from the products that we use that do give us access to online trainings. They also do live trainings in clinics. So we're always kind of up to date with the new trends and the new techniques.
Can you talk about any success stories, from patients who wanted to make changes to their appearance, or maybe for those who, weren't looking for maybe anything cosmetic, but for some of the other things that you mentioned before, without going through surgery?
Sure. So sometimes they refer to dermal filler as kind of the liquid facelift in a sense. Yeah. So some patients don't want to go to the surgical route, so dermal filler is an excellent option to kind of rejuvenate and restore any lost volume in the face, and it's always very beneficial, and patients are very happy with their results.
Yeah, I'm sure, especially for those who might have pain in their jaw, their back, headaches, and you probably have seen a lot of patients come in and very happy then with results and not having those headaches anymore, right?
Exactly.
All right. Well, Brittany, thanks so much for taking the time to talk to us today.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
All right, this was your Genesis Medical Moments, and for more information, you can go to ourquadcities.com and click on the medical tab.